Hello, hello. Welcome back. You've probably seen Glyco Cafe described as the world's most complete coffee. That's a bold claim. So today I'm going to walk you through 11 things about this coffee, and by the end, you can decide for yourself whether that title actually holds up. So let's get into it. Number one. Most coffee brands throw away the fruits. That's right, the flesh around the coffee bean, called the coffee cherry, usually ends up in the trash. Glyco Cafe uses the whole fruit, not just the bean. Number two, it includes green coffee, that's unroasted coffee, which supports a healthy metabolism. Most of us have only ever had roasted coffee, so this is a completely different ingredients profile. Number three, it contains monopole. Monopole is a source of glycans. These are molecules that support cell-to-cell communication in your body. Basically, your cells are constantly talking to each other, and glycans play a role in that conversation. Number four, monopole is exclusive to Monatic. It's a patent protected ingredient, which means you're not going to find it in any other coffee brand on the shelf. Number five, it's instant. Just add water. No machine, no filter, no waiting around, which honestly make it easy to have it every day, anywhere. 6. The beans themselves are organic Arabica beans, considered the premium coffee bean for a smooth, rich flavor. Number 7. It offers antioxidant support. On top of the caffeine boost you'd expect from a regular cup of coffee. Number 8. It's not just about energy. The glyconutrients in it also support healthy digestion and your immune system. So it's doing more than just waking you up. Number 9. It actually been called the world's most complete coffee. Why? Because it includes all the nutrient-rich parts of the coffee fruit, not just the roasted bean. Number 10. It's got clean ingredients, gluten-free, soya-free, dairy-free, and vegan-friendly, with no artificial flavors, no artificial color, and no MSG. And 11. The official benefits. Glyco Cafe supports cognitive function, antioxidant protection, a healthy metabolism, and cardiovascular health. So, is Glyco Cafe really the world's most complete coffee? I'll let you be the judge. But between the whole coffee fruit, the green coffee, the monopole, and the glycans, and the 4 official benefits we just covered, it's definitely doing more than what's sitting in your average cup. If you've been relying on a regular coffee to get you through the day, and you're curious what a glyconutrient-rich alternative could look like for you, drop a comment below or reach out. I'd love to have a chat about it. Let's do it together. I'll see you in the next one.